How to find the total number of songs, videos, and photos storing on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on General. After that, tap on About. Then we scroll down to the third section. In here, you'll be able to find the total number of songs is available on your phone, as well as videos and total number of photos. So here it shows that I have a total of 309 photos, and including 61 videos and 0 songs. And that's it. So that is how you can find out. When you tap on it, nothing happens because this is for information purposes only. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.